Engineer Babu presents Transforming Healthcare Procurement with Lumiere. 32. Imagine a world where clinics procure medical and dental supplies seamlessly, with real-time insights and streamlined processes. Lumiere 32 makes this a reality. Established in 2016, Lumiere 32 is Singapore's pioneering B2B platform for dental and medical supplies, serving clinics across Singapore, Malaysia, and the USA. The platform was co-founded by Dr. Preeti Bol, a seasoned dentist, and Raman Chauhan, a tech evangelist with a background in strategy and customer experience. Clinics grappled with fragmented supply chains, managing multiple contacts for different brands, lacking real-time pricing and product availability, and facing challenges like manual ordering, absence of ETA, untrackable orders, and no inventory alerts based on past consumption. To address these challenges, Lumiere 32 developed a comprehensive solution from the ground up. This included intuitive product design for an enhanced customer experience, scalable architecture to support growth, complete product development for streamlined workflows, and integration with third-party APIs for a seamless experience. Welcome to Lumiere 32, a B2B marketplace built exclusively for the healthcare industry. Whether you're a buyer looking for reliable suppliers, a seller expanding your reach, or an operations admin managing the marketplace, Lumiere 32 brings all your workflows into one smart platform. As a clinic, hospital, or healthcare provider, you can register in minutes and get instant access to a wide catalog of verified medical and dental products. Search by product type or brand. Compare pricing, check seller ratings, and add items to your cart with ease. Enjoy transparent bulk pricing, multiple payment options, and real-time order tracking, all in one place. If you're a supplier, Lumiere 32 helps you grow your B2B sales. Create your seller profile, list products with rich descriptions and images, manage inventory, set prices, and start receiving orders instantly. Use your dashboard to track performance, monitor fulfillment, and respond to buyer queries quickly. Lumiere 32 connects you to a network of verified buyers across clinics, hospitals, and institutions. As an admin managing operations on Lumiere 32, you have complete visibility across the platform. Review and approve seller applications, moderate listings, track transactions, and resolve disputes with ease. Set commission structures, monitor platform health, and access real-time insights from a single powerful dashboard. Your role ensures a seamless experience for every buyer and seller. Post-implementation, Lumiere 32 expanded its operations to Singapore, Malaysia, and the USA, achieved significant growth in gross merchandise value, GMV, and reduced order turnaround time by over 60%, enhancing operational efficiency for clinics. Engineer Babu's expertise was instrumental in bringing our vision to life. Their team's dedication and technical prowess have been pivotal to our success. From fragmented and manual procurement processes to a streamlined digital platform, Lumiere 32 has transformed healthcare supply chain management, setting new standards in efficiency and reliability. Looking to revolutionize your healthcare procurement process? Partner with Engineer Babu, where innovation meets execution.